So you started working out and you're seeing progression? Well, let's film a before and after video to show you how far you've come along.
Hey team, it's Ashley from F45 Sunrise. We hope you can come through and try some classes with us. The link is in the description and we hope to see you soon. Bye.
Look at what you've already done, the progress that you've already made, and find a before from before that you can recreate just to show yourself how good you've been doing. So we found this video of Ashley, and in it she's just doing some step-ups. And so we have the shot already done, and then we're gonna film the exact same thing, and then we're gonna splice the two together. In order to be able to get this so it looks kind of like it's a line from before, you wanna go into your Instagram app. You're gonna go into creating a new reel. So we're in Reels, we're gonna swipe up, we're gonna find the video. Here it is. Next, click next, and go to edit video, and then go to add clip. When you go to add clip, you're not actually going to add a clip this time, you're gonna go into the camera instead. And this is the thing that's like really cool that shows up. So when you push down on that arrow, you'll see that align tool. See, now I can see the last clip here and I can see what's happening right now. So what this is gonna do is it's going to allow me to actually align the boxes and everything so it kind of looks the same. So what I'm starting with is I'm looking at the background. See the F45 training? I can easily line up those to have them similar. And then I can look at Ashley, who's over here, and see how close she is to see if I need to bring her closer or further. And you can see by her head's a little bit bigger in the previous video, so let's just move her a little bit closer. Just move this way with the box. Yeah, let's just push that in a little bit. Perfect. There, see? She aligns a lot better, so it looks like she's about the same. And so we're gonna repeat the same action as she's going up and down, and we're gonna do these multiple times, because if you just film the action once, it's not as smooth as if you do it multiple times, because that's where you can start to see the consistency and it flows a lot better. So let's do this. And so I'm just gonna start pushing the button, and action. And make sure you get enough of it so you have lots. Perfect, lots to choose from. And I'm just gonna cut it because they're probably getting tired. So let's stop that. So just to make this work, we need to cut it on the action so that the edit is not as obvious. So what I can do is let's double check this before we tell them that they're good, because we wanna make sure that it looks good. So on the action is when they're about to go up, I think is a good part to start with. So I'm just trimming it to that part where they're about to step up, or Ashley's about to step up. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with this other video and cut it at the time she's about to step up. So let's just splice that and then delete that clip. And then let's check. Do these look well together?
That looks good. That matches better.
Yeah, no, so it's all about matching, because you gotta make sure like the same action ends that the next action begins.
Yes. That makes sense.
So like here, yeah, there we go. You can see the difference of how awkward it is if you're not doing the right action.
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you happy with that?
I think it's good. What do you guys think?
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Sweet.
And then, so the main thing you want to do for this too is you don't want to have the first clip too short. If you have the before clip too short, it doesn't really allow you to gauge what the before is, and you don't really see what's happening. So make sure that your before clip is at least 3 seconds long. And once you're done with it, let's go add a couple seconds of this. So we have 3 seconds of the first clip. Let's add about 3 seconds of the second clip. We can just press the split button, and that's gonna make a new clip there. Delete that, discard. And now we just have to do the daunting task of finding music. If you have a real question, please leave it in the comments, because your questions are where I get my ideas for future videos. Until next time, peace.